The error page is often the most ignored and misunderstood page on your site. But if you think about it, its role is pretty critical to your website. Just picture this: a customer has been browsing your site on and off for the last week or so. After an extensive debate, they finally made their decision to purchase a product. They click Add to Cart, and instead of seeing a carefully chosen item in the cart, they see a freaking error message. At this point, the customer is totally confused and maybe even a little cheesed off. What you do now can literally make or break the transaction. A well built error page is informative, helpful, on brand, and maybe even a little funny. Let's talk about how we can make that happen. In order to override the default error page, you have to create a new page under Layouts called error.view. Yes, it's a page, and it's under Layouts. A little weird, right? Okay, moving on. This page gets past an error object through a prop called error. Let's add that. Error contains two properties: message and status code. Let's add them to our template. Message is the error passed to our error call. In the case of an exception, it would be the exception message. Status code is the HTTP status code we pass to our page. And save. Okay, let's test this out by going to a property page that doesn't exist, like we did in earlier lessons. And refresh. Great, our message and status code are showing up. Now let's have a little fun by adding an image and some styling. Don't forget, even error pages need a title. Let's add one now. Save and refresh. Wow, this looks amazing. Play with your page, customize it, make it match your personality and your brand, but most importantly, make it helpful. Your goal should be to show related categories or destinations that the visitor can use to continue their journey. Adding a link to your Contact Us page, or even having a phone number to call right in the error page would also be helpful, so people can get immediate assistance if they need it. If you aren't sure what to show, don't worry. Google actually has a guide to making a good 404 page. How nerdy is that? It's filled with tips to help you build a page that's friendly and helpful to your customers, so they can get out of trouble when your site isn't working properly. I've left a link in this lesson's description.